Hello.
Hi.
Today we're gonna cook chicken.
Chicken.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
What? You just did. Okay, whatever. Alright, so.
Is this one on YouTube?
I don't know. But it might go on Facebook.
And then I'll probably get sent.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start grabbing. Y'all can, me and Andrew, we'll share this pan. And ladies, y'all share that pan.
Alright, can we make this one like spicy?
You do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
But Andrew, we're gonna stay.
Ew, why is there like bloody water on it?
Cause it's chicken.
Chicken is
Sorry.
blood.
Alright, let's see what we got here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This out.
6.
The thick.
Okay.
Ew.
Yeah.
Bella could have this one. Baby could have this one.
All right. Well, let's give her this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So put that one here.
Yeah.
And then let's make sure that we get.
Do
All
you
right.
gotta dip it in flour?
No, you don't have to because we're gonna bake it. So organize this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where it's okay. So
7, which is Bella's.
no, we're gonna. Well, I mean, I'm just doing it so because
I'm making some spicy.
some of them.
Didn't know that was open.
I don't know what seasoning.
So
Who's
we
gonna
have
put on
all
what?
of us.
So
Well,
Aubrey, do you want these 3 or those 3?
I'll do these 3.
1, 2, 3.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3. All right, so you're only gonna season these 3,
Okay.
and then she's gonna season whatever she wants.
So I start?
You can do whatever you want to. Andrew, what type of seasoning do you want?
Garlic powder.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna these. All right, you're gonna have
Oh, dang.
these right here. Okay. So you season those. All right, and
these are
Laura,
your 3 to season.
your 3.
Oh, dang.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, dang.
Your 3 are right here, and so you season those. Okay.
So you got an extra one for Bella?
Dang, that's hot, Aubrey. How do I get
it's
the
gonna
side one from the side?
How do you what?
How do I get the sides?
Roll it over. You turn it over.
Garlic pepper.
Let me see this.
Garlic.
Who was that?
Bella. No, but you want to come? I'm making chicken.
But you want to take some of this?
Garlic
And I could tell her this one's gonna be good.
What's that?
This is like seasoned salt.
Can you please open this? I'm gonna have it.
It goes like that.
Aubrey, that's a lot of garlic stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Mhm.
Are you still recording? Oh, yeah.
Now, do you want to?
I was
Okay.
gonna do strip of that. And then
Okay, but yeah, don't forget you turn it over.
it's good. I'm gonna turn it now.
Yeah.
Turn this one.
Let's slide this down some so we can all because everybody's not. There you go.
Yeah, now we are in. Now time to turn this one. I like the feeling of.
Can we rub it?
You do. This is your food. You do whatever you want to do.
I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up, so I've never seasoned chicken.
So you're gonna what?
I've never done this before.
Wait, is this specific garlic powder? I like a little bit of spice in mine.
You like spicy? You like hot? Like spicy? All right, because if you can do it, look. See, if you want all of them to taste different, you can season this one completely different, and season this one different.
I don't.
Do whatever you want.
I don't wanna. I'm scared to add any of the onion powder. So I don't want it to go.
Well, you gotta understand it's gonna cook, so it's not gonna be 100.
Oh dang, try some of that. Or is that the thing?
That's the
that I
same
just
thing
did?
that you just did.
Where's the onion powder? Right here. Who has the chicken powder?
I don't know.
So all I'm gonna do is put this much and
Oh,
add a
hello.
little bit
I forgot you guys
to get that.
Chicken!
What is this?
Little spice. A little chicken. This is stuff. Oh dang,
put
getting
too much
on
onion
mine. You see this stuff? It's golden. On my chicken. It's spicy.
Where's the onion? Where's the onion sauce?
Oh,
Chicken.
I like a little bit more.
Bella.
Where's the
No, ma'am. Where did you get these?
A chicken over here. Over there in that room. I know where she got those.
No, ma'am, Miss Bella.
If this is good, I swear I'm gonna be so proud of myself.
Where?
This is gonna be. Where are the stars? Oh no, I'm scared.
Oh, hello.
I see you.
I want to do more.
Bella, who is that?
Garlic salt.
I think mine's like almost off
Jenny!
season.
Who used the rest?
What?
Why is it even in there?
But we have some.
Garlic salt?
Oh.
It's yeah. See, well, it's the same. It's just it's powder.
Chicken
Same
seasoning?
Oh girl,
What?
Aubrey went in on her chicken.
Yeah.
I feel like mine's gonna be too spicy.
Oh, well.
It's not gonna be too spicy.
Huh?
You want? All right, look.
Going to?
Okay, if that's what you want to do, go ahead.
Can I have some more?
Some more what?
Seasoning.
Well, I brought out the stuff that's really pretty good. Y'all want any salt and pepper?
Oh, yes. I like salt.
No. That's
Oh,
it.
no,
We're in. I just want out all the stuff that we're using. Ooh, don't rub it.
Oh, it hurts.
Andrew, that is a lot of salt.
My bad.
No, it's okay. We're just gonna do it like that. Dig some down.
What about I blow it?
No, don't blow it because it's gonna get in your eyes.
It's in my nose.
So, what, salt?
Oh my god.
I get you because there's some in my nose.
I put one with that.
Pepper.
I'm scared how my chickens are going to taste.
It's not gonna be bad. Trust me.
More once, put it go. Crap.
My eyes are good now.
Chicken. Seasoning. Ooh.
Okay, so
Bells on the steps.
I got it.
Actually,
I'm the star of this now.
no, you aren't. Great. But let me see. Chicken. I love the seasoning now. I just tried
Okay,
it.
so
Perfect.
Good.
I put some pepper. If y'all want, what did I just do with the pepper?
It's right there.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like pepper too.
So are y'all seasoned enough? Do y'all want more? What is it? Did I get it?
That's
I don't
onion.
even-
I like a little bit of onion. Ouch! I bite my nails and I don't like when I open the seasoning. Oh, pinched me.
No, you're fine. It's not. It's your.
Okay.
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 Some salt and pepper.
I like the pepper.
No, I think it's good. A garlic spicy onion chicken. Oh no.
Excuse me.
I'm so nervous.
Where's pepper? Click.
She still has this. I made this for her like 3 years ago.
3 years ago.
She's not gonna get rid of
Or like 2 years ago.
Who made this?
You made it for her.
Cujo, you are doing the most right now.
I think we got cookies too.
Why is the dog chilling in here?
Because they're being nosy. They think that this is for them.
Nope. This is food. Flip it right. Oh, I got a blood. Why did you give me all the bloody ones?
It's oh my god.
Because you're a vampire.
All right, so are we done?
No.
All right, so if y'all want to roll this around, you see that extra seasoning, like something like this. If you want to roll it around,
I think mine's good.
yeah.
Yeah, but you don't need to add not even a little bit.
I just can't turn that fast. I never seasoned food yet. Not food again. I never seasoned.
Y'all never done before?
I I've never seasoned my own chicken.
I'm sorry that I got my chicken on your chicken.
It's okay.
So this is my
was
first time doing it, so.
All right, so
I'm so scared.
Andrew or all right, Laura.
That's bold.
Yeah.
Can you open the oven?
I want to open the oven.
No, Andrew, you gotta put. You grab our tray, Andrew,
Can I grab ours?
and you grab yours, and put it along
The top or bottom?
the bottom, but do it the long way.
No.
Yep. Be careful.
I slided it. Hey, are those going to go on the top?
Putting it in.
No, they're going beside it. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead. Oh.
Mine's so bad.
No. The garlic stuff is so good.
So that's
10
our
years
tray.
from waiting from them. Still putting the seasoning on. Belle's gonna be a part of it too.
Are you talking about mine?
The baby.
Mine's red.
You know what? They ain't cooking for me because they take forever.
Me?
Me and Andrew, we already got ours in here. We waiting on the girls. It's always the girls that take forever.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. All right, and then slide it beside ours.
Right there. Do it the long way.
Oh, that's fine. All right, and close it.
I've never put something in an oven either.
All right, so we'll
We're
be
done.
back when it's done.
Hi.
Bad.
Is she okay? Hi.
What did she just do? What did she do? Bella! Bella!
Jason.
Aubrey.
You are not going to continue. You
Andrew.
see how she's looking at me? Like,
She just like.